he does. And the cast, the musicians. I wrote for years and years at this piano or other pianos, and to see it come alive, the songs are like my children. They live and breathe every time they're sung well, like tonight. And I thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart. You're marvelous.
Thank you. Here's Sedaka. We really, I promise you, I swear to you, we have nothing prepared, but I think we've got to do another one, haven't we? Can we do Laughter in the Rain, do you think? What would you like to do? Go on, sing it.
Let's sing it together. In F, is it an F?